Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Whoa. Wow. Look at that. I'm impressed. Hey, what's going on, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this very, very nice sideboard that I just put together. It has this high gloss front doors with a asymmetrical, I'm not even sure if that's really the term to describe it, but it is raised, right? It isn't just like a print design. These are actually etched out and carved out, and it is really, really high quality. The feet that it comes with are these sort of gold plated, and so I think those you can always change out if you want to get like silver, or if you want to get a different type of color. You can always switch those out, maybe buy some online. But inside, you can see that there are 4 cubbies on this side and 2 on this one, so a total of 6. They are adjustable shelves, right? And you must, obviously, I just put this together, so you want to dust those down, wipe this off before you put it to use, right? But they are adjustable shelves. Well, actually, you can take the pins out. There's only one level that you can put them in, but you can see here that you can just pull those pins out, and if you don't want to use it for any storage space, you don't have to. So this is the same, and then this one as well. So overall, I'd say it's a pretty nice piece. Go ahead and check it out. Definitely has my thumb of approval. To close the doors, it has these kind of pins right here. So all you really have to do is just close it. You don't have to do anything to close it, but if you want to open it, just push, and it's like that. Do what you got to do, close it up. Same for this one, and for this one. So overall, I'd say very, very nice piece, nice high gloss. Go ahead and check it out. Check you guys on the next review.